Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake. We'll begin by creating the foundational biscuit base. First, take about 1.5 cups of your favorite crushed biscuits, like digestive or graham crackers, and mix them thoroughly with 1/4 cup of melted butter. This creates a delicious, sturdy crust. Once combined, press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 6-inch springform pan. Then, place it in the freezer to chill for at least 10 minutes, allowing it to set. Next, let's prepare the luscious, creamy filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of soft cream cheese, 1 cup of hung curd, and 1 cup of whipping cream. Using an electric blender, beat these ingredients until smooth. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest, mixing well. For that perfect set, gently fold in 6 grams of agar-agar, which you've previously soaked in 4 tablespoons of water, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Now it's time to bring everything together for our no-bake delight. Carefully pour the smooth, creamy cheesecake mixture over your well-chilled biscuit crust in the springform pan. Use a rubber spatula to gently spread and smooth the top, creating an even surface. Once assembled, transfer the entire cheesecake to the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for at least 1.5 hours, or until it is completely firm and set, ready for the next step. Finally, let's add those delightful finishing touches before serving your masterpiece. Once your cheesecake is perfectly set and firm, you can garnish it beautifully. Consider fresh fruits like strawberries or dragon fruit, or a vibrant strawberry puree for a burst of flavor. A light dusting of cocoa powder or icing sugar adds an elegant touch. Carefully release the cheesecake from its pan, slice, and serve it chilled to enjoy its wonderfully smooth and rich texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.